Today we're going to make these sweet paper angels that you can easily use as precious gift toppers or even ornaments. This is a quick and easy craft that doesn't require a ton of supplies, so let's jump right in. For this project, I'm going to be using some paper. I'll be using A2 size, which is 4¼ by 5½, and I'll be pulling this from the holiday themed paper pad from scrapbook.com. Now you can make your angels any size you'd like. Just keep the size of your wooden bead that you're going to be using in mind so the head stays proportional to the body. To start creating the angel body, I'm going to start with 2 sheets of A2 paper. With 1 sheet of paper, you're going to fold it in half and using your bone folder to get a nice sharp crease. Then fold it in half again, crease it down, and fold it in half one more time. That third fold might take a little more pressure since the paper is a little thicker. Once that's done, unfold your paper and begin accordion folding. Back and forth until the entire sheet is folded. I like to go back in with my bone folder just to make sure all the folds are crisp. Repeat this exact same process with your second sheet of paper. To assemble your angel, once both sheets are folded, we're going to create the sleeves. Take one folded piece and fold it down about 1/3 of the way to form the bodice and sleeves. You'll want the second folded paper to sit about even with the sleeve fold you just created. To finish the angel, I'm using one of these adorable wooden beads with a face already painted on. Take some twine or baker's twine, create a small loop for the hanger, and thread it through the bead. Run a line of hot glue down one side of the paper, adhere the twine, and bring both sides together to form the dress. And then add another bead of hot glue to secure your wooden bead in place. Now you can gently fluff the dress and sleeves to give your angel some dimension. I like to add a little glue on either side of the bead and lift the sleeves slightly so they look raised. For the finishing touches, this is where you can really have fun and give your angels some personality. Add jewels, bows, or embellishments to give your angels a little extra pizzazz. And of course, I love adding sparkle whenever I can, so I finished mine with a light dusting of distressed mica spray and Cocktail Party for a soft, pink, shimmery glow. And just look at how beautiful this one turned out. This is such a great way to use the paper you already have and create ornaments for next year's tree or handmade gift toppers. Easy, fun, minimalistic, and the perfect handmade project to let someone know you care. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crafty content. I'll see you real soon, friends. Bye.